Hi, good afternoon, everyone. I'm Simran. I'm math educator in ArcMath, and she is Apurva.
Yeah, good afternoon, everyone. I am Apurva. I am a math educator at ArcMath, and both of us work with the primary grades. And we welcome all of you to the second session in the workshop series by ArcMath.
So, as we know that we have started our workshop series, in which in the earlier workshop we worked on the understanding of spatial understanding, and in today's workshop we will be doing expressing numbers. Okay, we will express the numbers in different forms. So before that, I would like to have a quick round of introduction. So
We can move on to Arpita ma'am. Arpita ma'am, can we have your introduction also?
Hi, I'm Arpita and I'm new to ArcMath. I just wanted to explore the way you all do things, and I'm keen on my daughter joining it soon. So I
Okay.
inquired twice, but wasn't possible. So she's just 5.2 yet. I thought it'd be the right time to just begin it.
Okay, great. So I hope you have a good experience today. Okay, we have more people here. Who is this little girl? Hello,
Avni
how are
Jain
you?
Aryan.
No, this person. Kumar is written on the screen. Hello, ma'am. Oh, okay, great. Okay, we have Riyansh here. Riyansh, is Mama here?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Hello, ma'am. How are
Hi,
you?
ma'am.
So we have her introduction from the last workshop also. She was there with us in the last workshop, and Riyansh was also there. Avni ma'am, can we have your introduction, please?
Hi, I'm Avni, and art maths for the past 4 months. And this is Ayantika. She's 6 years old and she loves the classes.
Hi, Ayantika.
Hello, Ayantika.
Hi, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Hi. Now, Advita, can we have your introduction? Can you tell everyone your name? Okay. Advita, you are on mute.
Maths है ना मम्मी?
Yes, Advita.
का नाम अद्विता है. Game for all of you.
She has a game for all of us. Advita, can you tell everyone about yourself?
Yes, ma'am. My name is Advita and I'm 6 years old and I read in class 1A and the name of my school is St.
Okay. And ma'am, can we have your introduction as well?
Hello, I'm Neha Sharma. I'm Advita's mom. I have attended the session last Saturday and we really enjoyed it.
Okay.
And it was for the kids.
Great. I think we can also have Nitika ma'am and Sonia ma'am's introduction. Nitika ma'am, can you please introduce yourself? I think she's not here probably. Sonia ma'am and somebody has their name as iPhone. So can you please introduce yourself?
Yes, myself Sonia Jaswal, headmistress of Shri PSM Public School,
Okay, ma'am.
Upper Dela, District Una, Himachal Pradesh.
Okay.
I have no child.
Okay, no issues. Okay. Somebody has iPhone. I think it's Kanika ma'am, I guess. I'm not sure. Probably it was her. Okay, so I think we can begin with the session. And before we begin with this session, I have a very quick question for all the parents. Okay, what brings you here to this session today? Like, was it the topic, or you just wanted to explore, or did you have particular set of experiences to share with us? Anything related to reading, expressions, comprehension, anything that you want to, address today in today's session? Anything? I think we can. Yes, ma'am.
We were quite keen on knowing about this topic and how
Okay.
it can be helpful in maths as well as reading.
Okay, great. I hope we are able to address that, and we are definitely going to have the Q&A round after the workshop. So I think by that we will have more clarity. Simran ma'am, so can we start?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so I'll just share the screen. Just give me a second. Yes, so the whole idea behind doing this particular topic was Simran ma'am and I had a experience few days back. We were working on word problems with grade 1 kids, and we noticed that, you know, they were just focusing on some numbers and they were looking for one word, whether they had to add it or subtract it. They were not looking at the word problem as a whole. They were not even reading it, and it's a very natural instinct for the kids, I understand, but they were not trying to make the meaning out of what I asked them. I had to read it out for them, we had to do it for them, only then they were able to answer. And then when I asked certain questions, they were not able to express themselves very clearly. The precision was missing, and that led to kids being very underconfident about the topic. So we decided that probably we should take up this topic, and I understand that English is a prerequisite, so definitely we should focus on reading and comprehension in from the perspective of English. But today we are going to address concerns and discuss those activities which has a mathematical angle also, and a comprehensive view. You can do all these activities at home with your child, and they are going to be really effective. Okay, so Simran ma'am, you can continue.
Okay, so we face a lot of problem in reading. Like the first problem is issues with decoding. So now what is decoding? Decoding is when we read a letter, but we don't understand how to pronounce it. What is the sound of that letter? And because of this, we don't know what is the sound. And because of this, we don't know what word is this. And when we don't understand the word, we don't know its meaning. After that, we cannot make its phrase, its sentence, and then paragraph. So this small thing, only this letter and word can affect a reading in a lot of ways. Poor comprehension is also a very big thing because they cannot comprehend the contents. They don't understand the meaning of the sentence. Reading speed is also affected. They can't read it, and after that, reading, they don't know how to read it in a proper way. So for that, we have an activity. This is a very little activity and very effective, which is flashcards. Okay, story flashcards. In this, we have provided 4 cards to you. This is a set of 4 cards. We have 4 kids, football, play is written here, and 5 is here. So we can make a very short story with the help of these 4 cards. A very short story, like there were 4 kids, they were playing football and they got 5 points. This is a very short story, only 3-sentence story, but we made stories with the help of these pictures. So like this was one example. Now I am giving you one more set. You can see we have a set here. We are giving you 2 to 3 minutes. You have to build a story using these 4 cards. And you can work with your kids, parents and kids, both. You all just try to make a story, very short story, in 2 to 3 minutes.
You want to make a story?
Hello Jyoti ma'am, sorry we actually had that introduction round. We can definitely have it again by the end of the session. I hope you are having a good time here. So everyone has 2 to 3 minutes, and we are really interested to listen to everyone's stories using the same set of 4 flashcards. I think everyone can start working on their stories. Ayantika, you are on mute if you are saying something.
Or the parents have to speak on this?
No, the kids can make, and you can help them a little. I would prefer if kids are making it, but if kids are not sitting with you, you can make your own stories, because we will have lots of stories.
She is sitting, so she should make, na?
Yes, she can tell you, you can help her. Parents and kids have to work together. Ayantika, have you
You
started?
have to see what are the pictures, and after that, you can make a story.
Mom, I'm ready.
Okay. Advita? No, Ayantika, you have to write. Advita has a doubt.
Mom, I'm ready.
Okay, hi Sarah,
Ma'am?
I did not see you.
We have to write it down.
Yes, ma'am, we have to write it down. Everyone has to write down their stories as long as short they can be. Okay?
Okay, that's right.
Saran, welcome. I will meet you again today in the class also.
Mamas, just whatever you want to write it your way.
Whatever comes to your mind using these cards, whatever comes to your mind. It's not a test, okay? Whatever you think of these cards. We have a mother and a child here. We have apples. We have a grocery shop. And we have the word buy here. We are definitely going to hear everyone's stories. Okay. So once you are done, just let us know. And then we can begin with the storytelling session.
They first went to the grocery shop. Okay, buy. Yeah. Buy what? Buy what? First to write buy. हो रहा है क्या वो? ध्यान से देखो. Be careful.
I hope everyone is able to make the stories. Let us know if anyone has any doubts. I think Riyansh and his sister are already done.
You just write it your way, whatever way you think it is. नहीं S नहीं लगेगा क्योंकि C लगेगा और E है ना. और sound is E. See?
Is anyone done with this story?
Yes.
Okay. Kanika ma'am, can you please tell her name also?
Her name is Tanishka.
Tanishka. Okay, Tanishka is done. Riyansh and his sister are done. Saran is also done.
Ma'am, Saran does not want to write the entire story, but he says, I will narrate it.
Okay, okay then. Okay, Saran, we will write in the class then, okay?
Yeah.
Oh no. Okay. I think we can have this session. I'll just stop sharing my screen. Simran ma'am?
Yeah, you should stop.
Okay, okay. I will do that. Okay. I think everyone is done. So we can begin with kids. Advita wants to say something. Yes, Advita, do you have a doubt?
You are on mute, Advita.
Advita, आप mute पर हो.
The story, can I read?
You can speak. We are going to go turn by turn. Can we begin with her only? I think we can go round wise. So we can begin with her. Okay. Advita, you can begin your story.
The name of the story is Her Mother and His Child.
Okay.
Okay.
Mother and his child go to a market and buy 5 apples. Her mother came back home. Mother loves her child.
Okay. Okay. That's a very small story. I like it. Okay. Great. Advita's story is done. Very nice story. Okay. I think, Saran, we will come to you. We are going round wise. So can we have Ayantika's story? Ayantika, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Ayantika, can you please be a little louder so that everyone can listen?
Yes.
Okay. Chalo. Start.
Mama and baby buy 5 apples from the grocery shop.
Okay.
Okay. I think our video is paused. And?
It's completed. I think this was the story.
Ayantika, do you have to add anything here? Do you want to share anything else? I think her video is paused again. Yeah. It's okay. She can continue later. Riyansh, can we have your story?
Yes,
Yes, tell us.
Mama with her baby.
Say louder.
Mama with her baby went to the market to buy some fruits,
Yes.
and they bought 1 kg of apples.
Okay, okay. So mama and baby went to the market and they bought 1 kg of apples. Everyone has a mama and a baby story, I think, but they have different versions. Okay, I think we can have Tanishka's story and Saran, then be ready. Okay, then it's your turn.
There is a baby and mother. They went to buy 5 apples from the market.
Okay, okay, great, great. Saran, yes. Finally, it's your turn.
The title of the story is Fruit Market. Once
Okay.
upon a time, there was a mom and her baby. They are going to shopping. Then they buy fruits. Then they go to their home. Then they wash their food and make a lunch.
Make a lunch. Okay, and then they had their lunch
Yes,
and then they slept.
yes.
Okay, okay, great, wonderful story. Okay, Sonia ma'am, can we have your story, please? I think this is the last one because Rhea's mom is not here. She is in a meeting probably. So she said I'll come later. Okay, Sonia ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
can we have your story, please?
Ma'am, no.
Okay, okay. I think so. We can move ahead then. Okay, so the whole idea behind making these story was to, introduce the idea of how we make sentences in English. We have a subject, we have an object, we have an action verb. What we did here was introduce a mathematical angle to it, introduce a mathematical card to it, and then make a very short stories. We had 4 cards and everyone had their own version of different stories because they were the 4 same cards, so there was some kind of similarity in all the stories, but every story had a different angle to share. And we have a lot of such set of flashcards and we can share it with you in case anyone wants to have those set of flashcards. We can definitely share it with you. Do all of you want to make more stories, or should we move to the next activity? Yes, Advita? She's the most active person in our workshop. Yes.
Also a new idea.
New idea. Yes, tell us.
You give us some homeworks and give us food and flashcards, and then you give to make a stories, any stories, and then in another Saturdays this class we all tell you we make that stories, and which child has a good story has a prize.
Okay, great. So we can have a storytelling session next time. Advita, we will definitely do that. I really love your idea and I'm sure everyone does. So we can share these flashcards with you. Is anyone interested in making more stories right now, or should we move ahead? Move ahead. Okay. So what we can also do to this flashcard activity is we can make our own flashcards. Okay. We can share it with you. We can make our own flashcards. And we can also ask kids to make their own flashcards. Okay. You don't tell them anything. Ask them to make their own 4 flashcards and then build a story around it. Okay. They make 4 objects. They have one card on which it can be a mathematical thing. On other card there can be a baby. On other card whatever they like, there can be cars, there can be anything that they like, and then they build a story. The whole idea is to bring precision in their communication when they are expressing their ideas. And since we all know how imaginative kids are, all of this is going to get clarity in their expression, and whenever they are trying to explain us something, they will feel confident about it, whether we are right or wrong. Okay, so I think we can move to the second activity. I will just share my screen again. This was the set of flashcards that we did. We have another set of flashcards here. Then we have 2-3 more like this. Okay, eat, read, sleep. And this reminds me that instead of every time asking a kid to tell us about their self, what we can do with them is tell their daily routine to us in very small steps. Okay, and let's say if any kid likes a particular game, they can tell us the rules in 3-4 simple steps. Let's say Saran likes playing with cars and there is a car game. So Saran can tell us how to play that game. Saran, would you be able to tell us that?
Yes.
Okay, Saran can tell us that. So Saran can be our teacher and kids can be our best teachers. When they are able to express themselves, they come up with very unique ideas like Advita did, and Saran can also share. And I'm very sure that all the kids who are here, they can definitely do it. Okay. Let's come to the next activity, which is reading pictures. We are not going to read books this time or any text. We are going to read pictures. Okay. I have a question for all the kids this time. Kids, are you ready? All the students, are they ready? Okay. I want all of you to one by one share with us what you can see in this story. Anyone, whatever you can see in this story, you can share with us. Yes.
And you have to tell us what things are present, or any story you want to make.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, one by one. Yes, Saran, tell us what can you see in the story?
Carnival.
Carnival. Okay, Saran can see a carnival. Very good. Priyansh, do you want to say anything?
Children.
Lots of children. Very good.
And fun fair.
And fun fair. Yes, Advita. Advita, you are again on mute.
There is many challenges. There is many swings and
Okay, so we have a carnival here. We have a fun fair going on. We have many children. We have many rides. Ayantika, do you want to say anything?
Yes.
Yes.
It's a amusement park.
Okay, it's an amusement park. Very good. Next. Okay, Tanishka, do you want to share anything?
There are 2 houses over there.
There are 2 houses over there. Very good. I like this one. Anyone else? Anything else? Yes?
Now I have to go have another class.
Okay, Ayantika, you can go. I will meet you at 4 p.m. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, bye-bye. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you, Avni ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. It was a great session.
I will share the session with you
Sure.
later.
Sure, ma'am. Okay, bye.
Bye-bye. Okay, so what we have now is, these are the questions. There are
30 children.
30 children. You have already counted the children. Oh my God. I did not look at this one. Okay. So these are the questions that kids answered. These were their first observations. How we can facilitate them and how we can, give this particular story a direction is, we can ask them questions which are mathematical in nature. Okay. So Simran ma'am, you can ask the questions.
Yeah, sure. So we already saw the picture. We have observed the picture. So the first question is, how many kids are walking on the ground? You have to check how many kids are walking on the ground.
Can you count? On the ground.
Advita says 2.
Walking on the ground.
2.
Saran also says 2.
They say only 2. How many kids are there on the ground?
4. There are 5 children walking on the road.
There are. Who said 5?
4.
Anushka.
Tanishka said 5. We have answer as 4. We have 2. Can I count how many kids are there? Let's count. Okay. I will count with my marker. Let's do that. We have 2 kids here. Then we have another 2 kids. 2 plus 2 is how much?
4.
And we have another girl hiding here. You did not see her, I guess. So we have 4 plus 1 as how much?
5.
5. So we have 5 children walking on the ground. Is that right?
Yes.
Okay, we can move ahead.
Next question is, how many kids are there on the dragon ride? You have to look at the dragon ride and answer.
This is the dragon ride.
3. 3.
That is absolutely correct. This
Yes.
was easy peasy. I should say this was very easy and I helped everyone. Okay, next question.
How many kids are holding balloons?
4. 2.
We have answers as 4. We have 2.
No, not how many balloons. How many kids are holding balloons?
How many kids are holding balloons?
He counted balloons.
Yeah. 2 kids are holding balloons. Let us try. Okay, 1 kid is holding balloons here. Another kid is holding balloon here. 2 kids are here, and there is a third kid who is also holding balloons. So we have 3 children who are holding balloons. Is that right?
Yes.
Is that
So
right?
we had 2 kids here.
And,
Next, yes. Yes, ma'am.
how many balloons are they holding? Can anyone tell how many balloons?
2.
4 and 2.
Total.
Total, how many balloons are there?
6.
6. Absolutely correct. Okay, 6 balloons they are holding. Yes, you can go ahead, Simran ma'am.
How many kids are sitting in toy train?
Is it only 3?
6. 5. 5. 6.
How many are there?
6. 6.
5 or 6?
5 or 6?
6.
6 is the correct answer. We have 6 kids here. Okay. Yes, next
How
question,
many
please.
windows are there in the 2 huts? We have 2 huts. How many windows are there in 2 huts?
2. 3. 4.
Saran, one answer. 4. Saran says 4 windows. What about everyone else?
Windows. 4.
4. Very good.
How many windows are there in the 2 huts, Advita? We have 2 huts. So how many windows are present there? 4. Okay, Advita is saying 4. Tanishka, what is your answer?
4.
4. Saran, yours? 5.
Fingers.
We have 4 windows here. Yes. Next question, please.
Next question is, how many kids are riding the toy horses? Check the toy horses.
On the
and see
toy
how many
horses.
are riding.
4.
How many?
5.
Should be 5.
5.
5.
4 or 5? Decide quickly.
5.
Okay, some are saying 4, some are saying 5.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Before that, tell me how many horses are there? How many toy horses are there?
Horses are there.
5.
Yes, we have 5 toy horses, but only 4 kids are sitting on toy horses, right? Look at it.
Yes.
Then see, we have 5 toy horses, but only 4 kids are.
Okay, I am going to share next picture now. This is only for all the kids and adults can also try. Okay, I am going to give 1 minute to everyone, only 1 minute. So you will have to be very quick. You have to look at the picture and tell me one thing which nobody has told already. Okay, let us share the next picture. Okay, so we have a picture here. 1 minute to everyone. I am going to begin with everyone, and everyone has to tell a different fact about the story. Okay, you cannot repeat if anyone has told that. And this time I am going to begin with Tanishka. Advita, can you wait, or do you have a doubt? No, you don't have to write. You don't have to write, Saran. Yes. Saran, wait. You can't tell right now. Okay, I will ask for everyone. I'll ask everyone. Then you can share your observation. Okay. You can observe more things. Maybe anyone else could also say that. Okay. I am giving 30 more seconds.
Shh.
Whatever you're saying.
There is a boy, he is holding a suitcase.
Okay, we can listen to everyone's observations. I think we can begin, and then we can have more and more observations. We are going to begin with Tanishka, and I would please request everyone to pay attention to what everyone is saying, because you might say something which has already been said. Okay, and we have a lot of people here, so we can have so many things and we can make a story together. Okay, so Tanishka, can we begin with you? Can you share anything about this picture? What do you notice?
There is a metro over there.
There is a metro over there. Very good. One thing at a time. Okay, we are going to share one thing at a time, and then we can have another round. Okay, we have Riyansh's turn. Saran, next turn is yours. Yes, Riyansh.
A man is holding a suitcase.
A man is holding a suitcase. So we have two different observations. There is a metro. A man is holding a suitcase. You cannot repeat what anyone has already said. Okay. Yes, Saran, your turn.
The people are waiting for the train.
Yes.
And there are children. There is good time.
Okay, Saran, one thing at a time. Okay, you have already shared so many points. We will come back to you. You have a wonderful observation. But can we ask everyone else also? Would that be okay with you? Okay, thank you. Chalo, Advita ki turn hai. Advita, your turn. What do you want to share about the picture?
There is a mother and his child. Her child is going in the street.
Okay, very good. There is a pair of mother and child, and the child is going in the train. Next up we have, I think we can have Jyoti Bala ma'am. Ma'am, would you like to share anything about the picture? Ma'am, I can't hear you. Your voice is breaking.
Yeah, ma'am, due to some network problem.
Okay. Would you like to share anything about the picture?
Yes, many people there.
Okay.
Waiting for the metro train.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, great. And somebody else is from the iPhone. I don't know actually who this person is, but I think they probably are busy. It's okay. Okay, so we have a lot of observations about the this picture, and Saran also wants to. There are 9 people. Okay, yes, Saran.
There are board time.
There are time boards. We call them time boards. Okay.
Yes.
There are time boards. Very good. Anybody else?
There are signboards.
There are signboards. Very good.
There is a map.
There is a map. Very good. That was a wonderful observation.
There is one boy and one girl. They are seeing the map.
They are watching the map. Very good. They are trying to read it. Well done. Okay, so can I take a minute here to say something? Yes, Riyansh.
There are 5 women.
Very good.
6 men.
There are 5 women and 6 men. Okay. So I'm going to stop sharing my screen for a while. So the whole idea of doing this picture reading is, see, you can take out any picture at a time. It's not like you would need a particular resource. So it's basically, it will not take any time of yours. Okay. They can make any story from it, any observations. And the same thing what we can do is, we can take a picture and then ask them mathematical questions. How many people are there? What direction are they moving? Which direction are the objects in? What is the color? What is their position? And it can be any picture. We have pictures with us. We have question flashcards with us in case you want to have them. So we can definitely share them with you as well. Okay. And kids can also try to make questions for you and then you can answer them. The whole idea of doing this reverse teaching is, when kids get to become the teachers, is that they become very clear with their questioning skills. They want to ask you some questions and their curiosity is also satisfied. Okay. So I hope I'm not, making anyone feel bored. So can we move ahead, or anyone wants to share anything? Okay, we can. Advita wants to share. Yes.
Can you tell me in last?
Okay.
To explain.
Okay, I will do that. I will do that. We will definitely listen to your idea. I think we can move to the next activity. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so the next activity is, we have already done story flashcards, then we had picture reading. Now this is going to excite everyone, and I want all the kids to be ready, and students also. In case you don't want to create your stories using pictures and you don't want to write them, because I know not everyone is fond of writing, I'm going to share something with you which you can practice anytime. Whenever your kid feels that, they want to play some digital game, you can open this thing for them and they can make their own stories. I'm going to share a link with everyone in their chat box. Please open the chat box and open that link in the other tab. Just give me a second. I have shared the link. Either you can click on the link directly or you can copy it like this. Just press Ctrl+C, open a new tab and then paste the link. Something like this should come up on your screen. Let me know when everyone is done. Let me know when everyone is ready so that we can explain what we have to do.
Yes, लिखा है मम्मी. हाँ? Yes, लिखा दिखा रहा है.
Are we ready? No. Okay, we are going to wait. It's okay.
Link. 1 second.
It's okay. You can take your time.
Yes, we are done.
Okay. Some of us are done. Okay, Tanishka is also done. Advita, ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, I think everyone is ready. So I'm going to explain you the rules of this activity. Okay, you can practice it later also, whatever stories you want to create. So we have 3 templates here, 3 pages. First flashcard, second flashcard, third flashcard. We have 3 boxes here. We have different scenes to choose from. Okay, you have a variety of scenes here. You can choose a drawing room scene, a bedroom, a car scene, whatever you want to choose. You have a variety of scenes to choose from. Then you can take characters of your choice, any character. Okay, that's loading. So we have characters here. Then we have text options, and I would just like to take it to shapes also. Okay, so we have shapes here, some shapes. Just use these first 4 options. Please don't use anything else right now. because then it will be very time consuming. Take these 4 options. Just give me a second to explain. And make a 3-card story with your kids. Okay, 3-card story. First card, second card, third card. It can be any story. It can be with text boxes. It can be without text boxes. And it can be as creative and as different as they want it to be. Okay. So anyone has any doubts?
And one more thing, in
Yes.
scenes, we have different scenes. Can you please click on scenes?
Yes.
You can use this town and you can use home, indoor, home, outdoor, and school also.
Yeah, any scenes you want to. We have town, we have entertainment, any scene you want to, you can choose any option. And trust me, they have multiple options to choose from. So you can practice it later also whenever they want to make stories.
You can drag it in the boxes.
Yeah, yeah, just put it and drag it here like this. You select it and then you drag it here.
select करी हो रहा है नहीं कर लिया मैंने ये चीज सिलेक्ट करा था
It might be a complicated one to use at the first time, so you can help your kids, but it's very creative once you get started with it. You have kids option also here, so we have an adult here and we have babies also.
ये पता भी नहीं और ये पार्ट वाला है
Priyan's video is paused. I can't see them working.
We have 5 minutes for this one. Any story, it can be as long as short it can be, and you can make edits to it later. I hope everyone is able to do it. Like, their video is paused. Can you please text them once? Yeah. Saran, you look very happy. What are you making?
So he's created a coffee shop that he's most fond of with Mama.
Oh,
So
oh.
he's,
Yeah,
he's
I knew
made-
that Mama is going to be there in the story. Saran, you can also put Netara here in the story.
ये मत खेलो ये अच्छा नहीं बना
कोई बात नहीं, कैसा भी बने, you can do it. I think their video is paused, but they are working because their voice is coming. We have a coffee shop story here. We have 2 more minutes. Everyone, 2 more minutes. Advita, are you able to make the story? Tanishka, what about you?
Ship.
He's also making it.
Riyansh, your video is paused.
I think Riyan should
I think you can stop it and then switch it on again. Oh, Tanishka is ready with her story. Tanishka, you're making? Okay, great, great.
now your video is okay. Now I can see.
Yeah, yeah. One more minute, please, everyone. And once your story is done, please click a picture and show it to us. Or maybe we can, everyone can share their screen, है ना? I will just enable the option.
देखो वहाँ पे बाहर जा रहे हैं.
One by one and can show us.
Yeah, one by one they can share their stories. Is anyone ready with their story?
एक मिनट.
Last 30 seconds.
स्क्रीन शेयर करनी है. ये तनिष्का क्या बनाया आपने? एक फोन है, इतना बड़ा फोन है वैसे तो.
मैं फोन नहीं लेना चाहती हूँ.
मुझे रिमूव करना नहीं आता. अच्छा अंडू है उसमें, लेकिन अब रिमूव है कि नहीं?
कोई बात नहीं मैम, शेयर का ऑप्शन आपके पास नीचे टूल बार आ रहा होगा, नीचे ऊपर जूम का. Saran is done. Yes, Saran.
Ma'am, he is done.
Okay, so you can share your screen and then Tanishka can share her screen. Okay, you can share your screen. I've enabled the option.
All right.
Stories now.
I think we can make a storybook of Saran stories.
This is Saran.
Okay, very good. Saran, that is Mama. Saran, can you tell us what is happening in your picture?
So can you describe the picture?
Yes. Once
Okay.
upon a time, I was going to the coffee shop with Mama and with my little sister Nitara. Then we are having tea and coffee
In
in
what color is this? Grey.
gray cup and a red cup.
Yeah, okay. And anything else?
Yes. Then we go to the car, Nitara, Mama and me. We are going to the books library. Then we buy some books from the library. Then we go to the car, Nitara, me and Mama. Then we go to the home. Then we eat our lunch. Then we back to sleep.
Then we are back to sleep. Simran ma'am, can you please take a screenshot of every story that is going on?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah,
This is a washing machine.
it's okay.
I thought it's a kitchen, but it's
But we understood. Saran, wonderful story. We can make a book of your stories, है ना? Saran, can everyone please clap for all the kids? Saran, wonderful story.
That's what it said. Say thank you.
Okay. Simran ma'am, are you done taking the screenshot? Okay. Neha ma'am, can you please stop sharing your screen so that we can have the next story?
Yeah. So how do I do that?
Ma'am, there will be a red button option.
Oh yeah.
on-
Yeah.
Okay.
It's not coming out. Okay.
Okay. Who wants to go next?
अब यहाँ से छोटा कर.
Who wants to go next? Tanishka, do you want to go next?
I think she's not ready.
Mama didn't make my story because I can't take my screen.
You can't share your screen?
No.
Why?
I was doing, but now I'm making it.
It's okay. It's okay. Advita, are you ready with your story? Can you share your screen, please? Sir, can you please share your screen?
हाँ देखिए हाँ कीजिए हाँ मैं को बनाऊंगा मुझे कौन करती मम्मा
डालो.
There will be a green button option, share screen, either on the top or bottom of your screen. Okay, so we have Advita's story here. Advita, you will have to tell us what is happening in your story. Sir, we can see your screen. You will have to open that tab. It's in Microsoft Edge, I guess.
कर लिया हमने तनिष्का, करो और से. I think
थर्ड वाले पे जाना हमें थर्ड वाले पे
Third option. Okay, ma'am, no problem. Thank you so much for your precious time again.
तेरे कैसे शेयर करते हैं ये वाला जैसे शेयर मैंने शेयर की हूँ मैंने बेड शेयर किया
So third option from the left, there will be a blue button.
ये बनाया तो वो कैसे बनाया? वो कैसे? सीन अच्छा तो
ये सीन लिया
डालोगे कहाँ? थर्ड पे तो जाओगे ना? हाँ पता नहीं हाँ.
Advita, I can't see your story. Can you please click a picture and show it to us?
Where is the picture, ma'am?
Sir, she has made a story on the storyboard.
Just a second.
हाँ.
Yes, ma'am.
So I think it's a link in the Microsoft Edge, so you can open that Microsoft Edge and the story will be there. It's a digital story creator.
सिस्टर हो गई ना बेटा.
Yes, next to this option. So we have three options here. This option, third one, Microsoft Edge.
Actually, ma'am, I'm not aware.
Sir, can you look at the bottom of the screen?
Yes.
There is a search bar. Next to that, we have different icons.
Microsoft Edge, yes.
No, don't open that one. In the toolbar only, at the bottom of your screen, we have this third option. A circle, then we have this box, then next box, blue circle. Yes, please open this.
Okay.
Yes.
Open
Okay,
it.
so we have Advita's story. Yes, Advita, tell us.
Ma'am, I did not draw the story. I draw and send you.
Okay, we can see your screen. So you can tell us what is happening in your story. Can you share?
There is one child and his there are many buildings and his house, and one day his friend come to meet him and they go to shopping, and they go to a shop and then they buy apples and fruit and vegetables.
Is that it? Okay, great, wonderful story. We can all clap for Advita also. Very nice. Okay, I will just stop sharing Advita's screen. Anyone else wants to go? Tanishka, do you want to share your story? It's okay. It can be anything. One screen also. Tanishka, I can't hear you. Okay, so there is a share screen option at the bottom of your screen. Click on that.
Story?
Ma'am, it's a blank screen. I think it's coming. Yes. So you can click on the Chrome option where you've opened the link.
Okay.
Yeah, we can see your story. Okay. So Tanishka, can you explain your story to us?
My papa was telling mommy that Tanishka has sleep.
Okay.
Then mommy tell to my Masi and my Nada Masi. Then Chachu and Masi go and sleep.
Okay. Anything else?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Wonderful story. We can all clap for Tanishka as well. Okay, this is clapping for all the kids. Advita, Saran, Tanishka, and all the kids who were present here also. Wonderful stories. Okay, you can make as many stories as you want to on this link, and then you can share it with us. You can share it with your parents. We can get it printed and we can have little authors here. Mr. Saran as the youngest writer, Miss Advita, Miss Tanishka, है ना? हम सबकी story books बना सकते हैं, है ना? Saran, can you please sit properly? Thank you. चलो. Yes, Advita?
Can I make a storybook?
Yes, you can.
Okay, ma'am, but I don't know how to make a storybook. I have a storybook.
Simran ma'am will tell you. Okay, she will share the link with your mom and she can help you. Okay. One more thing that I would like to share before we can have the Q&A round. This is particularly related to what was the objective. Okay, so a few days back we had asked kids to make word problems on their own, and with grade 1 we had asked them to make story sums. With grade 3 we had asked them to make their own mathematical stories which had addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. And we have all these stories ready with us, and every story has all the 4 operations ranging from a pencil factory to a dreamland to a mystery land. Everyone had a different story to share using those mathematical operations. And I was amused by their imagination, how to kids think and how they, you know, express their emotions. So taking a cue from that, I had this another activity which we could do with kids, and we can share this with you as well. So we have a template here. I think somebody has sent something. Just give me a second. Okay. So we have another story to share here. Okay. So in this one, there will be a little more effort. Let me just load it. Okay, so we have a background ready and we have some cutouts of dogs and cats. Okay, if we take a quick look, there are 10 dogs and then there are 10 cats. Okay, so you can take cutouts of all the dogs and cats separately and you can make a story for your kids. Like there were 5 dogs in a park and 2 of them went away for a walk. 3 of them went away to sleep. And then you can ask them very particular, very specific mathematical questions related to number bonds. 6 dogs minus 3 dogs, 7 cats minus 3 cats, and they can be any objects. This is just one example. And we can also introduce one very special thing that we need to keep in mind, that we always perform addition and subtraction with the same operations, like same objects. We cannot subtract 7 dogs from 10 cats. It has always gone to be the same thing. Okay, so that is very important to clear with the kids. 9 apples minus 1 mango is not possible. Okay, so this is another example. And with this, I think we can move towards the Q&A round. Anything that you would like to, you know, any question, any ideas, any experiences that you have to share with us. And Advita, after that, we are going to listen to your idea. Okay, so you can wait. Anything that anyone wants to share or any particular topic that you would like us to cover in the coming workshops, because we have a series of workshops going on. I think Kanika ma'am wants to.
Yeah, ma'am, my concern was like since nowadays the school is giving story sums. Like there are 2 boys, one have blue pencil which is 4 and the other boy has 6 pencils. What is the difference? So how to make the kids understand how to write the statements? Because when they come to the numbers, somehow they manage ke पूछ रहे हैं कि how much is left, yeah, what is the difference? 6 minus 4 is 2 ho gaya. But my concern is how to let them know how to write the statement. The statement is from the question itself, but she is unable to make that.
Okay.
And she says, I don't know, मुझे नहीं पता, बस answer पता है. So
It's
teacher
okay.
just take this. She wants an explanation. The kid should be thorough with it.
Yeah, that is very true. That is very true. When we are doing story sounds, most of the times the focus is only on the numbers, but we expect a lot from the kids, okay? And we want them to write those answer statements and then write the complete answer.
She is unable to write. It is almost 1 week. School mein ho raha hai. She knows answers like 300 में से 200 minus करना है. She knows, but she doesn't know कि ये plus होगा या minus कभी-कभी, and then she doesn't know how to make the sentences in the proper statement. So she lacks over there.
It is completely okay, ma'am. I think it's definitely not her fault, because when we are working with primary grades, I've seen even grade 5 students, you know, going completely blank with what to write. I just know the numbers, I can do the addition, subtraction, but
statements that what they have to write.
Yeah.
The addition hai, subtraction hai, that's it.
Okay, so what we can do is the activity. Ma'am, can you hear us?
No, I can't hear Simran ma'am, what she said.
Hear me?
No,
It's very low.
Very low.
Okay, I think I'll continue. Okay, so what we did in our class was, because right now, I think she's also in grade 1, right?
She is in grade 2.
Grade 2. Okay, so what you can do with her is take a very particular example which she is familiar with. Okay, anything from her surroundings, and then ask her, how many things are there? Go step by step. Okay, so the key to word problem is to go read the entire problem in one go, then go word by word. What is the information given to you in this particular set of words? What is the information given to you in particular set of words? I'm not going to say, you know, that it will come in a week or so, because it is going to take a lot of practice. But my idea would be, ma'am, just let me complete and then you can go. Okay, so my idea is to, you know, make kids realize that they have those answers within. Keep asking her questions and keep making her believe that she knows it. Let's say, Taran, yes?
Can I go?
Yes, you can definitely go. I will meet you at 4 p.m. Thank you so much for coming. It's gone. Okay. Ma'am, you would also leaving? Okay. Okay. So the whole idea is, let's take one very simple example. Okay, so I have 5 pencils and my mother gives me 6 more pencils. How many pencils do you have? This is a very simple question, है ना? ठीक है? Tanishka, I can't hear you.
Can you repeat the question?
Yeah, the question is, I have 6 pencils. My mother gives me 6 more pencils. How many pencils do I have in total? Can you tell me that? 12 what? 12 is what?
12 pencils.
12 pencils. So whenever you are answering, you have to say the complete answer. 12 can be anything, hai na? 12 can be balls, 12 can be cars. So you don't have to say just the number. 12 pencils is the correct answer. Now, Tanishka, when you are writing, you will have to tell ma'am now what you are writing. She will be able to understand that. So you can say, what did I tell you? You had how many pencils? 6 pencils. So you just write simply. You don't have to think of anything else. I had 6 pencils. That is it. Okay? हो गया ना? इसमें तो कुछ नहीं था. फिर उसके बाद क्या हुआ तनिष्का? मेरी स्टोरी में क्या हुआ? मुझे किसने पेंसिल्स दिया? मम्मा ने कितनी 6 पेंसिल्स दे दी हमें? मम्मा gave 6 pencils, है ना? Is that okay? Total pencils 6 plus 6 12 pencils हो गया, है ना? बहुत सिंपल. और मैम आप इसके साथ एक और प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हो कि आपने इसको एक कॉन्टेक्स्ट दे दिया, ठीक है? डू दिस एक्टिविटी डेली विद हर, आस्क हर मेनी वर्ड प्रॉब्लम. बहुत सिंपल 1 वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स बोलो. अब तनिष्का को बोलो कि यूजिंग अ वेरी डिफरेंट कॉन्टेक्स्ट, अगर आपने पेंसिल का एग्जांपल ले लिया तो शी कैन नॉट टेक दैट, शी कैन टेक एनी अदर एग्जांपल. शी हैज टू frame her own questions and then ask to you, okay, and then you can answer. First, continue with the speaking part. Once she is very confident in that, then you can move to the writing part where she is writing, and I'm sure that this activity would help. And you know, we can definitely be in touch, and then I can suggest you more activities which will be of advanced level.
Okay, thank you so much. I do the same with her. When she does any book question and she's unable to answer, I just give her an example with the chocolates every time. Okay, Tanishka, you have 31 chocolates. You gave 20 chocolates to your brother. How many you are left with?
Yeah.
What is the difference? आपके पास कितना रह गया? तो then she knows. Answer तो she knows, but she says, "Mama, मेरे पास इतना रह गया." Then she can correlate the things. But when it comes to the bookish language, she's unable to make that
Ma'am, I think we can definitely use a variety of contexts with her, you know, chocolates, fruits.
Chocolates and pencils, rubbers, whatever is available.
Yeah, anything that, you know, book context. Sometimes it happens that, you know, I don't know which book she is doing, but there are times when the context is not very familiar with kids, okay, and they get confused. It's not their fault, okay. So it's very natural to happen, and it happens with everyone, but we can definitely work on it. And Tanishka, can you try to read 10 sentences every day? Can you read 10 sentences from a book every day? Only 10 sentences, okay? Any storybook. You can also use a storybook on YouTube. You can watch videos also, 1-minute video. First, read those sentences and then make your own stories. Okay, Mama is going to help you with that.
Stories on my iPad.
Yes, you can do that. You can make your story. Ma'am, she can make a story and then ask her to write those very simple sentences. When she gets into the habit of writing, I'm sure she will get into that zone.
Hope she's listening.
Tanishka, would you do that? I'm going to ask your mother after 1 week.
So you will be ready with 7 stories, Tanishka, at least. You have to be.
Tanishka, okay? Done? Is that a promise? Thank you. Okay.
Thank
Yes.
you so much.
Okay. Anyone else? Neha ma'am?
Not
No,
here.
I think I'm too early to ask any question on this.
Okay, no issues. We can
His
continue.
school, yeah, it has not even started yet, but he's still been able to create his own word problems, which is,
Wonderful. Like, I think it's all your efforts and his efforts.
and it has to be your efforts only. Otherwise, it wouldn't have been possible. But yes, as the time goes by, I will keep coming across some problems. So
We
I
can
think all
definitely
other
solve
kids are,
them.
yeah. So can I leave, ma'am? Then I'll
Yes.
meet you again.
Yes,
Thank you so much.
Sure.
It was
Thank
a
you so much for
wonderful
your
session.
time. Thank you,
Thank you
ma'am.
for sharing that storyboard. It's a wonderful pattern story, and I'm sure that kids will really gain a lot out of it. And I'll speak to you about the flashcards also.
Okay,
I
sure,
would
sure.
need them. Yeah.
Sure, ma'am, sure.
you.
We will do that in the session. Thank you, ma'am.
Sure.
Thank you for
Thank
your
you.
time.
Bye-bye. Take care.
Bye-bye. Take care. Okay. Yes, Advita, sir, you wanted to say something?
No, like this is my first class,
Okay.
so I'm not very much aware of what all she's doing. And Neha must be telling, but she's not here right now.
Okay, no issues, no issues. It's okay. Neha ma'am can ask questions later. Actually, Advita wanted to say something. Advita?
Say something.
To tell a game to
Yes. Yes, tell us.
any small child, you give her one chance to make a teacher, and you give one topic like maths, English, etc. So we know the children knows many topics or not.
Okay, that is a wonderful idea. So she wants all the children to be teachers, and then they can teach us, है ना, Advita? Yeah. So what we can do in the next session is,
and it is a time pass also.
yeah, it is a good time pass. So what we can do next time is we can listen to everyone's stories. The best story gets a prize, and then we can give topics to everyone, and they can share their experiences, है ना? And Advita, would you be coming next week with us? Okay. So
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
One thing I wanted to share, like we are right now in Bihar.
Okay.
I have done my schooling from Calcutta. Even my wife has done her schooling from Kolkata.
Okay.
But since our business is in Bihar, so she has to be with us only.
Okay.
One problem which like I always wanted to discuss, even with Simran ma'am, and like I had asked her also, the problem which we face is the communication skills, because being in Bihar, the language which we have to use is primarily Bhojpuri and Hindi.
Okay.
So that way she is not able to communicate in English very well. So she sometimes, despite having various kinds of ideas and everything, she restrains herself from speaking, and she doesn't want to say something, fearing that whatever she would say would either be grammatically wrong. So how can we help that, like, so that she doesn't feel
Okay. I understood. Simran, do you
I
want to
hope I have
continue?
been able to convey what I wanted to say.
No. I think we got it.
Advita is not मतलब उनकी एज अभी इतनी ज्यादा नहीं है कि she is grammatically correct. तो अभी जैसे
No, she starts comparing herself with other kids who are there online. No, so that is why, like,
but Advita is so expressive. She expresses whatever it is in her mind. तो ये चीज ठीक है कि you are saying grammatical issues, वो धीरे-धीरे ठीक हो जाएंगे. I shared you some links also.
yeah.
बताया था कि
I've gone through them.
Yeah. So we can share you more links and और जैसे और कुछ links या जैसे आप share कर सकते हैं, जिनसे आप देख सकते हैं कि कैसे हम improve कर सकते हैं अद्विता की communication skills. साथ में reading पे focus करना बहुत जरूरी है. As जब भी हम communication की या learning की बात करते हैं language से related.
Advita, just stay. I want to talk to you.
Listening पे focus करें. अद्विता listen करें, videos देखें, English videos, English stories, YouTube पे या किसी पे भी. Then speaking. आप उनसे बात कीजिए इंग्लिश में, वो सुनेंगी और फिर वो कोऑर्डिनेट कर पाएंगी. Listening, speaking, then comes reading, and then at last we go to writing. So like this we have to improve the skills. लैंग्वेज के स्किल्स ऐसे ही इंप्रूव होंगे. पहले उनको ज्यादा से ज्यादा वीडियोस दिखाइए, इंग्लिश मूवीज, इंग्लिश वीडियोस, इंग्लिश स्टोरीज, छोटी छोटी स्टोरीज. ऐसे इंप्रूवमेंट अपने आप ही नजर आएगी. रोज एक स्टोरी, इंग्लिश स्टोरी. सो
I am doing the same. I am doing the same. I don't give her cartoons. I give her the stories which are like festival based or maybe tables or something which is related to her studies, and then to with the communication. And I tell her, you read, you listen to them, the way they are speaking, the pronunciation which they are using, use that. And right now we have stopped talking to her in Hindi. When she says anything in Hindi, we say we are not understanding. So automatically she starts speaking in English. She expresses her feelings in English only.
Yeah,
But
and
if
I
it's
want to.
grammatically wrong, we try to rectify that. This is not men's, it's men. It's not children's, it's children. Where she lacks, we can rectify, and this will help you a lot.
That we do, ma'am. But what I fear is that if I stop, if I start correcting her at every point, so I feel that she might fear from expressing herself properly. So that is also like one thing which I like. I do not want to point out each and every mistake of hers.
So I have to add.
Don't point her at that time. You can just tell her later.
Okay.
This will help her.
Yeah.
Let her express her feelings if she's saying something, and once you are in, she's in a very normal mood, you can just tell, Beta, when you said this, this was supposed to be like this, but you said it very correctly. There is just a little bit of error. This you should use it next time. This will help her.
Yeah, and that is a wonderful point. I think even I wasn't aware of that. I just want to add one or two more things. I think, sir, for her age, honestly, I am not teaching her in the art math classes, but for her age, I think she is one of the most active children I've come across. And she is very expressive, and I really thought, in the last session, I observed that she was very fluent with the Hindi part, but when it came to English, she was taking little pauses. But I think she is trying her best. All you can do at this point is try to boost her confidence. When she becomes very comfortable, that I can do it, and she has that confidence, she is definitely going to learn more things, and she will not have that fear, okay, I am going wrong and everybody is trying to correct me and I'm feeling very underconfident, very low. And I understand, that everyone in the house is not going to speak English all the time, and even if you are around her, you can try to do that. But it's very important that she is able to communicate in whatever language she is trying to do that, all her emotions, so that you can have a better understanding of her, and then you can help her. And Simran ma'am said it that, listening, speaking, reading, writing, that is the correct sequence. That is absolutely correct. And I think the amount of ideas Advita has and the imagination she uses in her stories, and that there is a very personal touch to each and every idea. And Advita, I am very proud of you. Like, I am very happy to see you. Just don't stop speaking in English, okay? Try to make small sentences. Promise that you will make 5-sentence story every day. There should be 5 sentences, okay? And then we can have your storybook, okay?
Try to do that.
Yes. Okay, and that is it. You don't need to do anything else. I think she is doing wonderful for her age.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah. Anything else?
Thank you so much for this wonderful session. And yes, if you keep the sessions on Saturday, we'll be surely joining you.
Yes, ma'am. It will be on Saturdays because this
Sundays,
is
because Sunday is the day when we relax. I think your last session was on Sunday.
No. We will be having all these sessions on Saturday only, because I think this is the only time slot that suits us also, and for parents who have their weekends free. So we will be doing that. In case you have any suggestions regarding the topics that, this is the particular problem that my child is facing, so we can definitely do that, because it is going to be a series of workshops. So you can do that, and you can invite more people also for the session. That would be great.
Little concern is at times, I don't know, all the kids, or just I'll say she goes blank with the numbers. Is it like
it is
she knows everything? She knows everything, but once you just ask her like what is before 300, she says
No, it is their lack of attention. They have very short attention spans. So even in our 1 hour classes, what we do is take 20-minute session, then take a 2-minute energizer break where we do some
I
sort
know
of
Sanjay does that.
yeah. So
He gives
everyone
like
does
5
that.
minute break.
Yeah.
We also give now.
Yeah, so we do that, and I think it's very important, let them go away to their world and then bring them back quickly, because that is the only 20-minute session you are going to utilize. Even if you keep teaching them for 1 hour, it is not going to work if they are not here present. Okay. So I think,
thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, ma'am, for your time. Thank you so much, Advita, for being here with us. We would love to have you next week. Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Simran ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, Ahmad team.